Prime Minister Narendra Modi exhorted IPS probationers to feel proud of police uniform and never lose respect for it. He said the police are in the front line of duty in the present difficult situation triggered by corona pandemic. He commended them, saying that they are working beyond their duty hours in the fight against COVID-19 and their services need to be etched in the annals of history. PM Modi interacted with 131 IPS probationers who participated in the Dikshant passing out parade at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy in Hyderabad today. While interacting through video conference, PM Modi answered the probationers' queries and inspired them to give best results in the line of duty. The Prime Minister suggested to the probationers to remain physically and mentally fit for discharging their duties. He asked them to make yoga and meditation part of their routine.
तनावपूर्ण जीवन जीने वालों को हमेशा आग्रह करता हूं, योगा प्राणायाम ये बहुत ही सिद्ध, अब तो आपको वहाँ पर मजबूरन भी किया करना पड़ा होगा, सुबह उठ उठ करके जाना भी पड़ा होगा। मैंने भी उस मैदान में योगा किया हुआ है जिस मैदान में आप लोग करते हैं। आपने अनुभव किया होगा कि अगर मन से करते हैं, पूरा मन उसमें जोड़ देते हैं, ये कितना बेनिफिट करता है। और तब जाकर के आपको ये तनाव कभी महसूस नहीं होगा, काम कितना ही होगा, आप हमेशा प्रसन्न और आनंदित होंगे। लगातार आपके यहाँ से निकलने वाले सब साथियों को रूबरू में दिल्ली में मिलता था। मेरा सौभाग्य रहता था कि मेरे निवास स्थान पर सबको बुलाता था, गप्पे गोष्ठी भी करता था, लेकिन कोरोना के कारण जो परिस्थितियां पैदा हुई है उसके कारण मुझे ये मौका गंवाना पड़ रहा है। लेकिन मुझे पक्का विश्वास है कि कार्यकाल के दरमियान कभी न कभी आप लोगों से भेंट हो ही जाएगी।
The Prime Minister emphasized on changing the culture of police stations into centers of social trust. He said the ambience of the police station should be changed in such a way that the common public feel confident to visit the police station for redressing their grievances. PM Modi has also asked the IPS probationers to be vigilant and be ready for any unexpected occurrences. He exhorted them to make use of technology in a positive way for getting good results. PM Modi asked them to focus on role-based work and opined that rule-based work will automatically follow.
कोरोना काल में मानवता के जो काम हुए हैं उसको अगर हम लिख लें, फिर उसको ऑनलाइन व्यवस्था करें, आप देखिए ये एक आपकी बहुत बड़ी अमानत बन जाएगी। और फिर पुलिस विभाग में पुराने लोग होंगे, वो भी, जो नई पीढ़ी होगी वो भी, और भविष्य की पीढ़ी होगी भी, उसको भी लगेगा कि मानवीय व्यवहार की ताकत बहुत बड़ी होती है। और मुझे विश्वास है कि इस कोरोना कालखंड में आप लोग, क्योंकि उसी समय आपको फील्ड में जाने का मौका मिला, लेकिन आपके सामने वही काम रहा, आप उसमें से जो अच्छी बातें हैं लोगों को पहुंचाएंगे। और खाकी के प्रति गर्व होना ये बहुत अनिवार्य है। खाकी से रौब नहीं, खाकी से गर्व होना चाहिए। खाकी के सम्मान को मैं कभी झुकने नहीं दूंगा। जितना भाव मेरे मन में तिरंगे के प्रति होता है, वैसा ही भाव मेरे भीतर मेरे यूनिफॉर्म के लिए भी होना चाहिए।
A total of 131 IPS probationers, including 28 lady probationers, have completed 2 years of rigorous training. The parade was commanded by D.V. Kiran Shruti of Tamil Nadu cadre. Kiran Shruti won Prime Minister's baton and Home Minister's revolver for the best all-round IPS probationer. Kiran Shruti logged 9 awards. The Director of National Police Academy, Atul Karwal IPS, Gujarat cadre, who reviewed the parade, congratulated the probationers and called upon them to live by the ideals of the National Police Academy.
heartiest congratulations to all of you and your family members on this very memorable occasion. Even though the families are not physically present, but I am sure they would be watching this parade and feeling so proud of their sons and daughters.
Some of the probationers who excelled in their training spoke to Doordarshan News on what motivated them to join the IPS. Speaking to DD News, Kiran Shruti, who's named after former IPS Kiran Bedi, said she has a liking for uniform since her childhood and she's looking forward to deal with challenges like drug abuse and women's safety. And what inspired you to join the IPS?
Ma'am, my family always had a liking for the uniform services. I was named after Kiran Bedi. So then that was in the back of my mind.
Your parents named you after Kiran Bedi?
And then while filling the civil services, I gave a preference for the Indian Police Service also, and I got allotted IPS officer.
So, you won 9 medals. Please list them out. We will be happy to hear.
Ma'am, I got the best all-round probationer of the batch, best all-round lady probationer of the batch, and I won the trophy for Indian Evidence Act, for police leadership and management, for forensic science, for investigation, for scientific aids to investigation.
So that was your motto.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your future plans? How do you like to go about enter the IPS, and what do you like to do for the country?
Ma'am, I got allotted to the Tamil Nadu cadre. Tamil Nadu cadre is a very professional and interesting cadre, and there are a lot of challenges and opportunities. During my district practical training, I faced a lot of issues with regarding to drugs as well as women's safety, as well as in my district there were a lot of initiatives taken for the senior citizens. So I would like to concentrate on those departments or issues.
R. Kalaivanan, the second best all-rounder, said he chose IPS as he was inspired by Shailendra Babu, IPS officer of Tamil Nadu cadre, to serve the public. He got IPS in his first attempt.
I got inspired by an IPS officer in Tamil Nadu, Mr. Shailendra Babu sir. So I read his book. From that I got inspired, and my first preference was IPS.
Was that your first attempt?
Yes, this was my first attempt, and IPS was my first preference.
Fantastic. And what did you win?
I have won 3 trophies. One is second best all-round probationer, another is Manipur Cup for Law, and third is Hindi trophy.
K. Vijay Shankar, who was allotted Jharkhand cadre, is from a family of IPS officers. His grandfather and father were also IPS officers, and he was inspired by them to step into their shoes.
My father, I'd say firstly, ma'am, because my father was an IPS officer as well. He was an 87 batch IPS officer.
Wonderful.
So I've grown up looking at him, and I always had this thing for the uniform. And incidentally, my grandfather also happened to be in the police. So and my younger brother is in the
family.
And my younger brother is in the police as well. So it kind of runs in the family.
So nice to know that.
So I never had a plan B, ma'am. Policing was the only thing I wanted to do. So I'm happy I got to be here.
The young IPS probationers who passed out from the portals of National Police Academy are looking forward to don the uniform and serve the nation. Bureau Report, TD News, Hyderabad.